Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you the phrase a couple of. A couple of. While it literally means two of something, it's commonly used when we talk about a few or several items. Okay, so we can use it with quantity if we're talking about a small quantity, not a big quantity, or it's got to be a small quantity of things, or even a period of time. Okay, so like days, weeks, hours, minutes. Okay, we can use a couple of. So I'm going to quickly give you some examples, and then we'll have a look at how I use them and see if you understand at the end of this video. All right, so the first one is, he arrived a couple of days ago. He arrived a couple of days ago. So I didn't say how many days ago, and usually when I would say a couple of, it doesn't mean like a long period of time, like 100 days ago. It's a small amount. Okay, it's a few. So it could be anywhere from 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, maybe 12 days. Okay, so always think of a couple. If you like were to grab something with your hand, I have a couple of pencils in my hand. Whoops, almost dropped it. Yeah, I have a couple of pencils in my hand, a couple of. So I might not even know how many are exactly in my hand, but I'll just say a couple of. Okay, so it's described, we use it to describe like how many of things, and if it's in a few, okay, a small amount. The next one is, Bobby has a couple of chocolates in his pocket. Bobby has a couple of chocolates in his pocket. So he could have 3, he could have 5. So he has like a few. Just think of it as a few, a couple of. All right, now I'm going to put it in a question form. Have you ever been to Europe? Have you ever been to Europe? Yes, a couple of times. Have you ever been to Ayutthaya? Yes, a couple of times. Okay, so that is the same as almost saying a few. Okay, so it could be 3 times, 2 times, 5 times. So it's not very many, it's a few. So try to use this phrase in English when you're talking about like how many things you have, like, or like quantity of anything. And the other option is to use it with time. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Give me a couple of minutes, I'll be right back. So a couple of. All right, I hope that helped, and I hope you use this phrase sometime in your English conversation. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.